What's up guys, it's your favorite pick instant back with another cool video for all of us. Today's video is on the top 5 best steam generator irons. It may be challenging to identify the most cost-effective products when purchasing various goods. I narrowed down hundreds of products based on a few standards and ranked them in this video to make your decision easier. These are just some of my favorite items that I use on a regular basis. So sit back and relax while I tell you about these amazing pieces of products. Please do check the product link in the description box below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So without any delay, let's get started. Number 5. Rowenta Perfect Steam. The Rowenta DG8520 is our editor's choice of best steam generator irons. This 1800-watt product is an eco-friendly iron and comes complete with an eco setting. This allows you to save up to an astonishing 20% of energy each time you use this product. The steam output of the Rowenta DG8520 is 80 grams per minute, and it takes just 3 minutes to heat up. Featuring an extra-large visible and removable tank which can accommodate 47 ounces of water in total, it's possible to derive around 1.5 hours of continuous ironing in one go. The Rowenta DG8520 has outstanding 5 bars of pressure which work to make it completely capable of handling all levels of wrinkles in many types of garments and drapes. Such maximized force also makes this an excellent choice for shaping any sewing projects. With a stainless steel sole plate, containing 400 holes to be exact, this iron also has a 1.9 meter power cord for added convenience. Best of all, with just the touch of a trigger, customers can get through their ironing in quick time due to this model's constant high-powered steam, making the job effortless. Customers choose the Rowenta DG8520 for its 100% convenience alongside its 100% performance, which they feel delivers quality results with each use. Considered one of the most outstanding steam generator irons on the current market for getting even the most stubborn of wrinkles out of material, this is deemed a sound investment and certainly worth the cost. Number 4. Ariete by Delonghi of Italy. The Ariete by Delonghi of Italy Duetto 6437 is on our list predominantly because of its ability to offer a double performance system. This means it can be used as not just an 1800-watt steam generator iron but, if you wish to, you can use it as a traditional steam iron whenever you feel like it. This 2-in-1 home steam ironing system is an impressive-looking model with a splash of purple in its design. Complete with an ergonomic carrying handle to make it more comfortable to use, this model also has a spray function when it's used as a steam iron. Perfect for steaming drapes and hanging garments through its unique vertical steam option, the Ariete by Delonghi reaches maximum temperature in 3.5 minutes, with its independent iron ready to go in just 2 minutes. Getting its steam pressure from 3.5 bars and with a ceramic sole plate, this iron works at delivering consistent volumes of high steam pressure, getting you that crisp, clean finish every time. With an excellent backup of a 1-year limited warranty alongside a lifetime boiler tank warranty, this is a powerful and confident steam generator iron choice. Customers choose the Ariete by Delonghi of Italy Duetto 6437 mainly because of its ability to offer complete power through its sought-after features. It is also claimed to cut ironing time in half and get fantastic results with every use. The ease of the auto-refilling system also wins many votes here. Number 3. Rowenta. The Rowenta DG7530 is picked as our safer choice of the steam generator irons as it has a built-in 3-way smart auto-off. This means that should the iron be left on for a certain amount of time, it will automatically shut off to ensure there's no possibility of any accidents arising. This 1800-watt iron has a 120 gram per minute high-pressure steam system and all at the touch of a button, deriving some of the most professional results each time. With a 40 ounces water tank capacity and a 400-hole stainless steel sole plate, this iron reaches its hottest in just 2 minutes. It also comes with a 1-year limited warranty for extra peace of mind. The Rowenta DG7530's precision tip allows you to reach those areas you wouldn't have been able to achieve with a standard iron, ensuring a super smooth glide for improved ironing results. One full tank is said to last around 90 continuous minutes, meaning you do not have to fill the tank repeatedly to get through your ironing pile. With an indicator clearly showing you when the tank needs a refill and when a clean is required, this model has a locking system and a built-in storage space for its power cord. Customers choose the Rowenta DG7530 for its ability to deliver better steam penetration, therefore, producing a more efficient ironing process each time. The concept of a thicker central core in this model's sole plate is also a winning factor with its assurance of better all-around heat distribution. Number 2. Hamilton Steam Generator Iron. The Hamilton Beach Professional Steam Generator Iron is considered one of the best steam generator irons primarily due to its additional cleaning brush and water softener additions. This stylish and visually modern-looking in appearance iron has an impressive 1,750 watts of power alongside 5 bars of boiler pressure. With a large 60.9 ounces water tank capacity, this iron is ready for use in just 3 minutes. With its non-stick plate and longer than average steam hose which can be neatly wrapped around the base when not in use, this is a quite practical choice. Featuring an eco mode which works to conserve energy, this environmentally friendly iron allows you to add to the water tank anytime you need to do so, without having to wait for the steamer to cool down. Offering a superior glide performance as well as excellent wrinkle removal results each time, the Hamilton Beach Professional Steam Generator Iron claims to outperform and outlast similar products on the marketplace, period. Customers choose the Hamilton Beach Professional Steam Generator Iron for its ability to work so well through each use and therefore cut down the amount of time spent ironing every time. It's also considered a better design model than most, particularly with the ability to separate both the iron and water container, meaning it's a lot lighter in overall weight when using. Above all, the power of this model seems to be the biggest winner with customers purchasing this product. Number 1. Dupray SteamIron Generator Iron. The Dupray SteamIron Steam Generator Iron is our most comfortable to use steam generator iron. A 1,750 watt product, this model prides itself on impressively offering up to more than 3 times the steam you would expect to see in your regular iron. Providing users with a total of around 60 minutes of ironing each time it is filled, Dupray believes it's entirely possible to drastically cut your ironing time with this 40.6-ounce water tank. The steam output of this model is up to 120 grams per minute, and the thermostatic control allows you to adjust the sole plate temperature to suit as well as offering you the choice to work between dry and steam ironing in the process. There is a natural cork handle design on this iron which is claimed to make using this product more comfortable indeed, ensuring the whole ironing process is as pain-free as possible. With a professional-grade quality in the manufacture of this steam generator iron, the Dupray product is a powerful model which also comes complete with a 3-year warranty, plus a lifetime warranty on its stainless steel boiler. Customers choose the Dupray SteamIron Steam Generator Iron because it is considered the most reliable and durable iron in the overall design. It also offers just the right steam pressure from its 3.5 bars. Many customers report this being a thoroughly comfortable iron which is also lightweight considering its capacity to hold so much water each time when in use. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Please tell us which products you'd like us to review next in the comments section and don't forget to check out the description box for all the buy links of products featured today. Thank you.